The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. My day again? Yes, big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, so in this video I'm going to present to you two videos. And the first video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a man. And in this video the man talked about the Rastafarian girl whose hair got trimmed allegedly by the police within the country of Jamaica, and he also talked about other things as well. I want you to take a look at this video and listen to the things that this person said, and you can also let me know what you think about the things that he said. You see what I'm saying to you? And I will also tell you what I think about some of the things that he said. You see? Alright, now some of the things that this person said in this video, some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to hear. So viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
My heart hurt me. Me a grieve. Me a bawl. Me a cry tears. Me a weep. This is the Jamaica. Me a telling you from last year. Me a waking up towards the evil we are going to Jamaica for you open your eye. And no for you. Because we don't go to college, and we don't go to university, and we don't white, and we don't wear necktie, and we don't politician, and come on TV with the mouth full of lies, so not believe it. When I say I grieve, when I see what happened to this woman Pitney, this woman daughter with the police, them lock up this woman daughter and then trim the woman Pitney in a station. Trim the woman Pitney in a station. Jamaica. You see, if we not come together and unite against this wickedness we are going to Jamaica, and the dictatorship and the tyranny we are going to Jamaica, the whole land will go down. No money, no building, no property, no legacy, no vanity can save you. Now the Prime Minister can't save you because guess what? You see them police there, we do this to the little girl. Me know all of these 10 police. Whole heap of these 10 police, so I'm going to put all of them in a one bag right now. You see, the police, them will do this to this woman Pitney. Are no police, are a criminal in a uniform, and help mash up Jamaica. And you see, the one them will even go for the little youth and money, and embarrass the youth. Work for the citizens of Jamaica, protect and serve the citizens of Jamaica. Work for the Prime Minister. And because of the Prime Minister in dictatorship and the tyranny we are going to Jamaica, no for no take side of the Prime Minister, we not work for the citizens them. We not work for the Prime Minister. But me say, me ask the God Almighty of the universe for deal with them police that we did this woman Pitney. This the most wickedest way. Make them face them judgment. And you see, no for people they are Jamaica. Uno endorse these things because when people like even I and I, people like Buju, Spraga Benz and many others come out and talk, ridicule me and laugh after it, but me tell you something. The Prime Minister of Jamaica can't save you. Uno have to go save yourself. Them police they will do that to the little girl, a dirty police, a criminal in a uniform. And you see if the people of Jamaica don't unite together, which I think it's impossible because no one can unite and not go unite because politicians have in them pocket and licky and ungrateful and evil and wicked. So no song of Jamaica and watch wickedness that take over the island. God walk from Jamaica, you know. God Almighty walk from the Jamaica when we talk about a godless country. Jamaica right now is going down a slippery slope and it's going down and come back. Because endorse too much evil down there. And see the police them will go for the little youth. The youth not wrong, you know. Freedom of speech, or some video where someone up here class chump on the governor of Florida and all type of people. But because no work for the Prime Minister, licky. But let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Jamaican people, you say if we not come together and unite, united we stand, divided we fall. And I say fall, we are talking about proper fall. And wickedness are going to Jamaica, you know. Evil walk at Jamaica like man. And woman, God walk from Jamaica. Not now come out of it, you know. So the parents and for the sick girl better seek some overseas help. A dirty police And me have one heap of these 10 police friends. And me know when them listen this, they hear the anger, and me know them know say me not talk all the police in Jamaica. But guess what? The evil them in Jamaica are outdo the good. And me say, people of Jamaica who not turn to violence, who go up and fasting and prayer. Because prayer work, you know. But no one not pray to. For them dirty police, yeah, will do this to the people in Pitney. Evil a walk at Jamaica. God walk from Jamaica. Appear devilness a go on the evil, wickedness, tyranny, dictatorship. And someone who support it because $2. Who on who got dead? No got dead if you no fight, no got dead, and if you fight, no got dead. So you better fight for something. Get up and stand up and fight for your right. Where the warriors them there, everybody roam and boom out, NSC out, and a hype and a show off on one another, while wickedness a take over. But guess what? No found no go bad in the compound doorstep because Jamaica reach a stage where a dog eat dog. The bad no business nobody when the compound doorstep no bad. But too late, shall no cry. Too late, me couldn't hold it, me can't hold this. Wickedness. Dirty police, corrupt, wicked, no gunman no uniform. That's why I say when I'm on the street at night time, I'm not fear for gunman. A police me afraid of. Because no one no criminal no uniform. No legal criminal. No legal evil. Chat. Jamaica, wake up! No sleep too long.
John, viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, it seems as if the man shown in that video that I just presented to you was upset about things that happened within the country of Jamaica when he did that video. See? And in my point of view, I think that each and every one has a right to their own opinions. You see it? Real. When it comes down to the situation where it is said that a Rastafarian girl here got trimmed allegedly by the police, I don't want to jump to any conclusions or say certain things because I don't hear the police side of the story. So until then, before me I go say, Janu, this or that, you get me? But you know, I saw more than one videos that show persons talking about that situation, you know. This video that I just presented to you, that video is one of those videos, you know. So I just make you know about the video and you can let me know what I think about the things that the person said in the video. You can tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that he said. You see it? You know what, I'm gonna leave it right there. You see it? So big up to the person shown in the video, and with that I'm going to move on to another video. Alright, so the next video I'm going to present to you, according to the information that I got about the video on social media, it is said that the video is about a dispute between a tenant and a landlord. Now remember, I said that according to the information that I got on social media, it is said that the video is about a dispute between a tenant and a landlord. I do not know where or when the video will be recorded, you know, but I want you to take a look at this video and tell me who you think was wrong. Is it the tenant or the landlord? In the background of the video, you're going to hear someone talking who is said to be the tenant, and the video is going to show a person who is said to be the landlord. Alright, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
What's up?
I said no. These are mine.
Sorry, we rent here, so we can.
I own these.
It doesn't matter.
These are my personal.
We rent here.
That doesn't mean I have to.
We rent here, yes.
I do not
Yes.
have to provide you laundry. Any
Okay.
other apartment building, you pay to run laundry. These are
That's what we
mine.
do. We pay to run laundry. We
No,
paid
you
for
don't.
electric. We paid for
No,
internet.
you don't.
We don't.
No, you don't.
We don't. Then
No.
what the hell do we pay $800 a month for?
You pay for a space. Do you know what it costs to rent anywhere else?
Doesn't matter. That's what was in the verbal agreement.
My laundry machine?
Okay, well
No.
then do something about it.
I will.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
You hear this? He says that laundry's in with the rent agreement, but there are personal machines that we allowed them to use. They're not part of the building here.
Well, guess what? Do something about it. Okay?
I did. I gave you an eviction notice.
Where?
Oh, it was sent.
Handwritten. Where's your handwritten?
All Okay, I will
Where's it
file
at?
it then, so it goes against your record.
Handwritten.
Yep.
A text message does not.
Yes, it does.
Does not. I just looked the laws up last
That's
night.
fine. I will go and file it with the court.
That's
so
fine.
that now
That's
you'll
fine.
have it on your record.
That's
we
fine.
Were trying
Where's
to
our mail?
fix-
Where's
I don't
our-
have your mail.
You don't have our mail.
No, I do not.
I
have your
literally
mail.
left a piece of mail in the mailbox to see if you kept taking our stuff.
I haven't touched any mail.
You haven't. You haven't. So you didn't get an electric bill Christmas Eve, right?
I did not check the mail on Christmas Eve. I did not leave the house.
Lance, where's our mail at, Lance?
I've
already filed-
because there is no.
I've already filed a complaint with the post office this morning.
That's
and I
right.
will be calling the cops this afternoon to file a complaint with them if we
I
do
didn't
not get our
touch
mail.
an electric bill.
There
I
was-
didn't touch any.
there
I
was
have
an-
not checked the mailbox in 3 days.
There was an electric bill in the mailbox in y'all's name. I purposely left that along with her package in the mailbox. So where's it at?
I never touched your mail. I haven't checked
Well, look,
the mail.
this is me right now demanding that you leave our mail in the mailbox until we leave.
I don't touch your mail.
I'm just demanding that
I
that
don't
happens.
touch your mail. Nobody took your mail.
Where is our mail at, Lance?
Don't have your mail, Rory.
That's a lie, Lance. That's a lie. And you know
Nobody
this.
has. No, there is no lie.
Okay. Okay.
I don't have your mail.
We are filing a police report
That's
over
fine.
y'all withholding our mail.
I don't have your mail.
Withholding and improperly disposing of our mail.
I don't have your mail.
Okay.
Nobody's touched your mail. So you can file a police report. That's freaking
Deny it all
wonderful.
you want to. Deny it. Deny it. We have not received a piece of mail in over a week.
I haven't touched any mail.
We've been expecting Christmas cards,
That's
gift
great.
cards.
I'm expecting mail too. Everything's delayed. Call
So
the
where-
fucking post office.
I did. I went up there today and filed a complaint on your butt.
Good, because I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
Oh, okay.
So how are you gonna? Yeah, you're filming me too.
Yeah.
That's great. I
Every
don't have
encounter
it.
that we have with y'all from now on is going to be filmed.
You have no right to film me.
Oh,
On
I
this
do.
Side.
I do.
On
This
this
is-
side of the wall.
this is
that
our-
needs to be into
this is
your area.
our
into
area.
your area. This is
This is
not yours.
our area,
This
okay?
is not yours.
This is our area.
This is not yours. That is not yours.
This rotates, so if you come by,
I don't give a shit.
it's still our area.
Then why were you in my area? How
When?
many days? When I was
When?
digging through my cupboards.
Rory, you
When?
do not have an area. It's my fucking house, so, you know.
Oh,
you're gonna-
it's your house? It's your house? It's your It's your house. It's your house.
You know what?
Hmm.
Like, going into the shop wasn't a right, it was a privilege.
Mm-hmm.
You lost that by taking shit.
Taking what? I
Penetrating oil, using
left
chemicals.
a bottle of lube 10 feet
Taking-
away from its spot that was on the floor.
Taking
What else did I take?
all the rubber gloves you wanted in the world.
I never, no, my hands been dirty, girl. I don't need your fucking rubber gloves.
You went through boxes of them.
You're tripping.
No, I'm not.
You're tripping.
You're tripping. I never touched your mail. I have my mail upstairs. I don't fuck with your mail.
Well, guess
if
what?
you have
Guess
stuff
what?
running late,
Guess what? We rent from y'all, okay? There's a washer and dryer right there
Then they don't belong to you.
that
They
we have
belong
had
to me.
access to since day one.
doesn't matter.
So
It doesn't
You
matter.
know what this is called right here? This is called landlord harassment.
No,
and this is retaliation.
harassment.
This is retaliation
No,
for me
retaliation
calling
is you-
CPS on y'all. That's what it is.
Is you lighting illegal firecrackers outside?
Okay?
Those were illegal
You
fireworks.
should have called the cops in.
Yeah, I should have.
Alright, so viewers and subscribers, you know what I think? I think that there is a misunderstanding or a dispute about the rental agreement between tenant and landlord. You see it? You see it, yeah man, I think so. If the landlord didn't make a contract or make it be very clear what you can use in the house as part of the rental agreement, like the washing machine and so on, and make certain agreement when it comes on to the renting, like paying certain bills or so forth. If the landlord didn't make those agreements or didn't make a contract about those agreements, then I think that the landlord is in the wrong, you see? And if the landlord took that person's mail or mails, that I also think is wrong. That is if, because the female keeps saying that I didn't touch your mail or something like that. You see? Yeah, I mean, hear someone talking on the phone. You can hear someone on the phone that the female shown in the video was holding on to, you know? Viewers and subscribers, when it comes down to a situation like this, some confirmed informations have to be provided to get a good understanding as to what's going on. But you know, me just tell you what I think, you see? Yeah, notice me say, if, that means to say, if this not happen or if that happen or what, then who wrong from who right? You see me I say to you? Yes, so that's a if, you understand? Anyways, me just tell you what I think, viewers and subscribers. You can let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in that video. Alright, so big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers worldwide. And until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall!